How to enable quiet mode on Instagram on the new update. So make sure to update your Instagram since this is a new feature added just lately to some specific countries only. And by enabling this new feature, the quiet mode, you will not receive any notification from Instagram and your profile activity status will be changed to quiet mode. After updating, let's open Instagram. Go to your profile tab. Click on the three lines on the upper right corner of the screen, and in here, click on Settings. Inside the settings, go to Notification, and in here, below the push notifications, you should see the quiet mode. Tap on that, select the time where you want to enable your quiet mode, and enable it. But as I said a while ago, it's just added to specific countries only. So if ever you're not in the New Zealand, US, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and United Kingdom, you can proceed to one alternative and go ahead and turn on pause all mode since this somehow works the same with the quiet mode where you will not be able to receive notifications. So that is all for this video. Do let us know if this tutorial helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.